welcome back to Cowboy Ranch Life YouTube channel. So today we are working on steel letters. So we're going to be hopefully getting those cut out so then we can put them on our corral. So just a fun thing that we're going to do to hopefully make the corral look a little better and just say some stuff that we think. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and have any questions, comment below. Alright, so we marked these letters out. As you can see, we don't have them cut back yet. If Tom would get out of the way. So we marked them out. Winston, he actually did most of this, which if you're not familiar with the channel, Winston is my brother. So he used a ear tag marker is actually what he used, because a magic marker or a Sharpie would just not work as well. And I believe he did use some pencil. That's what he used. It worked pretty well. And then his straight edge, and able to mark and measure such as that. So then as you can see, that's an R, an O, stuff like that. And then also, we tried to save as much material as possible. So he did that. As you can see, he's got a mark, so that would be an I. That would be a W. He wrote on each one of them what they were. So he did the A's here to save material. He did one right side up, and then the other one upside down to save material. So obviously making these letters, you're not going to be able to save every square inch, but we try to save as much material as possible because, as everyone knows, material costs money. Tom would get out of the way. He keeps walking around on the table. So that's what the cool project we're working in. So stay tuned and keep watching the video. Alright, so I thought I'd also tell y'all, this is the steel we used. You guys can see the thickness of that. That's 2 sheets. Why we put 2 sheets was it just helped strengthen it to mark it and stuff like that. And then we have 3 sawhorses under there. So that's the thickness of steel we used. We did that because it's not going to be like holding anything or anything like that, but by the wind. But it should be fine there. That should be thick enough for that. And then it's also easier to cut and move around and get that high in the air because we're putting it on top of the corral. So it should be good when we're done. So keep watching, and we'll keep you updated.
That might help. Grab that hammer back there. Tap it. I think it's right over here.
Hold it up, Winston.